So now I'm going to show you an untapped CPL traffic source, and it's called leads. And of course, CPL stands for cost per lead. Okay, and it's obviously called leads with a Z or a Z. Pretty simple there. So let's get into this one. Let's go over this powerful source of traffic. First one, similar to Opt-Intelligence. So it's sort of a similar idea. Leads is a self-serve, real-time opt-in lead generation network. Okay, so it's sort of similar, works similar to Opt-Intelligence in the way that they're bringing leads to us. They deliver leads via a direct live feed straight into your autoresponder. Okay, and a thing that leads actually does one further than Opt-Intelligence, I think, is that we can actually see the lead source. We can see where that lead came from, and it's really cool. And just another one on this point here, I just want to say also the live feed. And what that basically means is when leads with a Z, when they get a lead, they can import that straight into your autoresponder, similar to Opt-Intelligence, how I get leads straight into GetResponse or constant contact, those kinds of ones. They can do that, but again, you don't have to do that. You can actually just have leads bring your leads that they've gotten for you for the day. They'll actually hold them in your leads account, and you can basically log into your account and download them. Similar to how Opt-Intelligence, they basically send you your leads every day to your email so you can download them. So moving on, you pay again per lead, not per click. And I want to get into this even more. I want to show you the difference. And I've just got there, watch the video at the bottom for more on this. So at the bottom of this module, right now, I'm going to go over that a little bit more. You can get as low as 35 cents, depending on your targeting, sometimes your country, and we also have to talk to the lead support staff to bring that cost down. Okay, and I'm going to go over more of that. I'm just going to show you the site soon. I just want to go over a few more points. Again, you also don't need any of your own websites or landing pages, capture pages, opt-in pages, all that stuff. We don't need that to get leads from leads with a Z or a Z again. I know it's a little bit confusing. They can get leads in all the top niches you can think of, all the ones that we want traffic for. Okay, education, finance, insurance, dating, make money online or Forex, some of the biggest things that we see everywhere online just about now, even gaming, travel, and survey leads. They can even set up everything for you if you like, and this is sort of a step that we have to do right now, and it's also good. Just like when you sign up to a CPA network, you should always contact your affiliate manager. Okay, let them know that you're a real person, you're here to do serious business. Okay, you're a real person and you want your account manager at Leads to check everything out for you, and we actually need them to do a little bit of campaign adjustment. And in the next video, I'm going to actually show you how we do that. So campaign setup they can do for you, and they can do autoresponder integration setup as well. Also, you can get leads from all the top countries basically, or all the ones that we again want leads and traffic from in the first place. So United States, the United Kingdom, Australia, and even Germany. We probably don't really need to use Germany for now. Stick with the United States. If you're doing dating, though, you'll definitely notice that a lot of dating offers, those advertisers, they want traffic and leads for or from the UK and Australia. It's very big in those countries as well for the dating niche, that is. Just note also, leads is a little bit more advanced because they currently have a higher minimum than what Opt-Intelligence has. So, of course, start with Opt-Intelligence. If you want to take it even further, go to leads, because that's how we take something like Opt Intelligence to the next step. It's a little more advanced. And one cool thing that they do have though is $25 of trial credit. And right now, I'm just going to go over to the website. And I'm just going to basically just go through the site. Of course, we'll have a link to this again straight underneath this video in the resources. So you can just come straight to leads and check it out. So again, it's leads with a Z or a Z. It's a little bit confusing because we're talking about leads. They get leads. They're called leads. But that's just what it is. Okay, so you can come and check this out. I just wanted to walk you through a few things here. You can click about. Really cool. They are a new network. At the time of doing this video, it is fairly new still. Okay, but we've had some great success with them already, and they have big advertisers again, like Opt Intelligence has. And this is sort of what setting up a campaign looks like, and we're going to go over that in the next video. This is sort of what it looks like there. I just want to go back to take a tour, and I want to show you a cool page, the generation process. This is sort of how it works. This is how leads works. And again, this is why they're a little more advanced than Opt Intelligence. They qualify the leads before we even get them. Okay, Opt Intelligence doesn't really do that. And even though it's very good quality still, because you know we're still targeting with Opt Intelligence, we're getting the leads for what we want. Okay, if we're doing finance or insurance leads, we can still get that. But leads takes it one step further, and they do a lot of verification and qualification, because they have their own landing pages, as you can see, and they actually basically when they generate the leads, they validate a lot of things. As you can see, this sort of just keeps going and going. It's a lot involved. And you can come and check it out, because I'm definitely not going to go over this whole page. You can see this green ... line is still going, because their process is still going, and by the time they get to here, you know, they're qualified and then they're sent to us. So that's basically how that works. But I just wanted to point out that page because it's really cool, and I just want to show you pricing as well. So similar to Opt Intelligence again, lead start, as you can see, basic data share, and we need to make sure it's on that, and that's going to be in the next video. But 50 cents per lead, and as you can see, recommended to use in, and of course, email marketing. And just while I'm here, I want to say also, remember, email marketing is something that we need to do. I sort of need to reiterate this again. You know, direct linking is dying. It's a fact. It's becoming very difficult to become a success as a CPA marketer doing direct linking alone. Okay, I've seen some of the biggest marketers in CPA, some names that you've probably even heard of. I'm not going to say them here, but specifically, his campaigns have literally in the last 3 to 4 months, they have completely died because nothing works anymore. With direct linking, and it's very difficult. He was making over $50,000 per month in the middle of the year. That was over 6 months ago now, and within the last few months, I think his best month has been $5,000, and I believe his last month he profited $300. So, you know, it's very difficult, and what I'm trying to say here is that we need to build a list. It's so important, and it's basically the only way to sustain, you know, the CPA model, so we can keep making money. Because you think about it, if we generate a lead, whether we generate a lead ourselves from a YouTube video or any other kind of advertising, if we get that lead, we have them on our list, they're on there forever. We don't have to pay, even if you are using leads, if they cost 50 cents for that lead, it's one time. Then they're on your list forever. We can keep sending them CPA offers every single day for 6 months, 12 months, 2 years, if they're still on our list. Okay, so that's the power of building a list, and that's why we need to do that. And right now, basically, you can just click try now. So just remember that, what I said, we need to build a list. If you've never built a list before, you're missing out. You've got to build a list, because that's when true CPA success will come your way. As you can see, there's that $25 free leads right to there, and that's basically the login page. So that's basically it, just walking over leads. Just wanted to show you those few things. In the next video, we will go over setting up a campaign and actually get this thing rolling.